Hi everyone, so this is another short video that is the trick on Black Sea, that is the countries bordering the Black Sea. Yesterday I uploaded the trick for Mediterranean Sea, so this is another video, short video. So Black Sea is in news and it is actually important because of the Russia-Ukraine war. So Black Sea is important, so I will discuss the trick also in all the countries. So the trick to remember the countries bordering Black Sea is Great Brew. See, Black Sea, Black Sea can be correlated with black coffee, and brew is actually a brand of coffee. So that is how you can correlate things. So Great Brew is another trick for the countries which are bordering the Black Sea. So G stands for Georgia, R stands for Russia, T stands for Turkey, B stands for Bulgaria, R for Romania, and U stands for Ukraine. So this is the short trick. You can just see the countries also. So the countries are Ukraine, Russia, Georgia, Turkey, Bulgaria, Romania. So Moldova is a landlocked country. It is not bordering the Black Sea. Okay, and before ending, this is the short announcement regarding the new courses on Unacademy. This is you can get 20% off if you use my code, that is Tripti10, and also 3 months extension, and it is a limited offer, and these batches will actually start from March 30, and these are the bilingual batches, that is the 1-year batch course for GS if you're targeting for next year, and also Hindi में भी होगा ये सारा जो GS का सारा सिलेबस करवाया जाएगा. एंड दिस इज़ द प्रीलिम्स एंड CSAT टेस्ट सीरीज, दैट इज़ अनअकैडमी लाइट. इसमें 28 टेस्ट जो बाइफिकेट हुए, दैट इज़ 20 GS, 8 CSAT. सिमिलरली 56 टेस्ट हैज़ बीन डिवाइडेड इंटू 40 GS and 16 CSAT. And these are the optional courses which have been launched. This is easily you can get the EMI also, approval within 2 hours, minimal paperwork and flexible tenure. And also this is a free and comprehensive interview guidance program for UPSC Civil Services 2021. So training by experts, DAF analysis, free for all the eligible aspirants. Flexible schedule will be there, mock interview with the experienced panel, and also the previous year's transcript will be provided. So this is the panel, that is the experienced panel of mentors to help. And this is the Unacademy store which is open now in New Delhi, that is Old Rajendra Nagar. Thank you.